Welcome to Macro Money Talk, where we decode the hidden mechanisms of wealth and the strategies of the financial elite. Have you ever wondered why some people accumulate massive fortunes while others struggle despite working hard every single day of their lives? Wealth is rarely a result of pure luck. It is usually the outcome of a specific system, mindset, and leverage. Today, we categorize the wealthy into 5 distinct groups based on how they operate their systems, capital, and unique skills. Understanding which category you fit into is the first step toward unlocking your true financial potential and building lasting freedom. Let us begin with the first group, the entrepreneur. The visionaries who build systems to solve the world's most pressing problems. They possess a unique ability to see the flaws in our world and feel a burning desire to fix them immediately. These individuals are defined by their willingness to take massive risks and innovate where others only see obstacles and impossibility. They do not seek comfort. They seek change, constantly pushing boundaries to create value out of thin air for society. Their success is not linear. It is exponential, driven by the ability to scale their solutions to millions of people. To succeed, they must convince others to believe in a future that does not yet exist, requiring immense charisma and conviction. The true wealth of an entrepreneur comes from building a system that can eventually operate without their constant daily intervention. They leverage technology and people to multiply their output, disconnecting their personal time from the money they generate. However, this path is lonely and filled with failures. As for every successful founder, thousands fail to reach the summit. But when they win big, creating generational wealth that can change the trajectory of their family forever. They act as beacons of progress, dragging society forward through their sheer will and refusal to accept the status quo. Disruption is their currency, and they are paid handsomely for destroying old, inefficient ways of doing things in the market. Every signature they make carries weight, representing the responsibility of employees, investors, and the future of their created empire. In the digital age, their playground is the entire world, allowing them to reach customers in every corner of the globe. Now, let us shift our focus from the active builders to the quiet architects of wealth. The second group, the investor. The investor is the master of capital allocation, a person who loves numbers and logic more than the product itself. They understand that time is their greatest ally, and they possess the discipline to wait while others panic and sell. Their secret weapon is compound interest, the 8th wonder of the world, which turns small sums into mountains of gold. They do not work for money. They make their money work for them, tirelessly, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. While the world chases get-rich-quick schemes, the true investor focuses on risk management and the preservation of their capital. They often live simpler lives than entrepreneurs, finding joy in the intellectual challenge of finding value where others see none. Their game is not about speed, it is about position, ensuring they are always on the right side of economic trends. They diversify to protect themselves from ignorance, but concentrate their bets when they have high conviction and deep understanding. Economic downturns do not scare them. Instead, they see them as rare opportunities to buy high-quality assets at a discount. The deeper their roots of knowledge go, the higher their financial tree can grow without toppling over during a crisis. They understand the difference between currency and money. It's moving their liquidity into assets that store value over time. They are the futurists who vote with their dollars, shaping the world by deciding which companies deserve the capital to grow. For the investor, wealth is a scorecard of their discipline, patience, and ability to control their emotions under pressure. Now we move to the third group, the specialist, the elite professionals whose wealth is built on rare and difficult skills. These are the top surgeons, elite lawyers, and brilliant engineers who have spent decades mastering a specific, high-demand craft. Their barrier to entry is incredibly high, requiring years of rigorous education, sacrifice, and sleepless nights to achieve their status. They are paid for what they know and what they can do, solving complex problems that very few others can handle. Their income is directly tied to the scarcity of their skill. The harder they are to replace, the more they earn. In the technology sector, these are the architects of the digital world, commanding massive salaries for their intellectual property. However, they face a unique trap. Their income is often limited by the number of hours they can physically work. If they stop working, the money stops flowing, making them high-paid laborers rather than owners of a money-making system. The challenge for the specialist is to convert their high active income into passive assets before they burn out completely. Burnout is a real threat, as the pressure to perform at an elite level every single day is exhausting. True wealth for them is unlocked only when they start acting like investors, using their high salaries to buy freedom. They enjoy high social status and respect, but they must be careful not to fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. Buying luxury toys to display success can keep them working on the treadmill forever, never truly achieving financial independence. Next, we have the fourth group, the operator, the disciplined executors who master the art of replication and consistency. Unlike the entrepreneur, the operator does not need to invent something new. They simply take a proven model and perfect it. Think of franchise owners who run 10 fast food locations. They are not inventors, they are masters of process and efficiency. Their success relies on discipline and the ability to follow a playbook without deviation, ensuring a consistent customer experience. They excel at managing people and logistics, turning chaotic variables into a smooth, predictable, and profitable machine. Their businesses are often unsexy and boring to the outside world, but they are incredibly reliable cash flow generators. They live by the standard operating procedure, removing human error to ensure that the business runs like a Swiss watch. The key to their wealth is replication. Once they master one unit, they copy and paste it 10 or 20 times. They build silent empires, often accumulating massive wealth without ever becoming famous or appearing on magazine covers. While others chase the next big tech trend, the operator gets rich selling coffee, burgers, or cleaning services. They are the backbone of the economy, providing essential services and jobs while building a fortress of financial security. Finally, we arrive at the fifth group, the hybrid, the bridge builders who combine a stable career with smart investing. This group consists of employees with stable jobs who discipline themselves to convert their salary into income-generating assets. They use their career as a safety net, providing the cash flow needed to take calculated risks in the investment world. They are not necessarily the highest earners, but they are the best at saving and allocating their resources efficiently. Over time, their investment income begins to rival and eventually exceed their salary, giving them the ultimate freedom of choice. They work because they want to, not because they have to, which paradoxically makes them better and more relaxed employees. This is the most accessible path for the majority of people, requiring consistency and time rather than genius or luck. The hybrid model offers the best of both worlds, the security of a paycheck and the upside potential of investments. They often start side hustles or small ventures, using their salary to fund experiments without the fear of starvation. They understand that wealth is not a sprint, but a marathon, built brick by brick over decades of disciplined action. By straddling two worlds, they mitigate the risks of entrepreneurship while avoiding the limitations of being purely an employee. We have seen the entrepreneur, the investor, the specialist, the operator, and the hybrid. Which path calls to you? Do you have the burning desire to build something new and the stomach to handle the roller coaster of entrepreneurship? Or do you prefer the quiet analysis of numbers, letting your capital do the heavy lifting while you wait patiently? Perhaps you are a specialist, ready to dedicate years to mastering a craft that few others can perform. Maybe you are an operator, finding joy in perfecting processes and building a silent empire through replication and discipline. Or are you a hybrid, seeking the balance of a stable career while steadily building your fortune in the background? There is no single right answer. The only wrong answer is to stand still and do nothing about your future. You must choose the path that aligns with your personality, your risk tolerance, and your unique set of life circumstances. Remember, you are not locked into one path forever. Many start as specialists and become investors or entrepreneurs later. The most important thing is to start writing your own story today, with intention and a clear strategy in mind. Wealth is not just about money. It is about the freedom to live life on your own terms and schedule. By mastering these concepts, you not only help yourself, but also set a powerful example for the generations to come. The universe is full of abundance, and there is enough wealth for everyone who is willing to learn the rules. Do not let fear or procrastination hold you back. The best time to start building your system was yesterday. The second best time is right now. So take the first step and commit to a path of financial mastery. Scale, compound, skill, replicate, or balance. These are the 5 keys that unlock the doors to the life you want. Visualize your future self. Thank them for the decisions you are making today, and let that vision drive you forward. The road to wealth is open to anyone with the courage to walk it. Your journey begins with a single choice. Nurture your skills, protect your capital, and build your systems. The harvest will be greater than you can imagine. You are not alone on this journey. We are here to guide you through the complexities of the financial world. At Macro Money Talk, we are committed to providing you with the insights you need to navigate the economy. If you found value in this breakdown, consider subscribing to join our community of forward-thinking wealth builders. We dive deep into macroeconomics, investment strategies, and the psychology of money to help you stay ahead of the curve. Wealth is a puzzle, and we are here to help you find the missing pieces to complete your picture. Take a moment after this video to write down which of the 5 groups resonates most with your current situation. Identify the gap between where you are and where you want to be, and start building the bridge today. Your financial compass is in your hands. Do not let society dictate your direction. Choose your own path wisely. Consistency is the water that cuts through the rock. Keep showing up, keep learning, and keep investing in yourself. The view from the top is worth the climb. Do not give up when the path gets steep or rocky. Every new day is a fresh opportunity to refine your system and move one step closer to your financial goals. Let go of limiting beliefs about money. It is a tool, a resource, and a neutral energy waiting to be directed. Open your mind to new possibilities. The methods of wealth creation are evolving, and you must evolve with them. Whether you use AI, real estate, stocks, or business, the principles remain the same. Provide value and capture a portion. Seek mentors who have walked the path before you. Their wisdom can save you years of trial and error. Invest in your mind first. It is the only asset that cannot be taxed, stolen, or lost in a crash. You now hold the keys. The 5 archetypes are the map, but you are the one who must drive the car. Drive fast or drive slow, but keep moving forward. Your financial destination is waiting for you to arrive. Leave a comment below telling us which of the 5 groups you identify with and what your next step is. Don't forget to like this video if it provided you with clarity, and share it with a friend who needs it. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson on mastering money and decoding the macroeconomy, entrepreneur, investor, specialist, operator, hybrid. 5 paths, 1 destination. Financial freedom. Choose yours wisely today. Wealth is not a zero-sum game. When you succeed, you have the power to lift others up with you. Go out there and make your mark on the world. Build your legacy and create a life of abundance. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us. We appreciate your attention and your commitment to growth. Thank you for watching Macro Money Talk. Subscribe now to master your financial destiny and choose your path to wealth.